Whenever you burn something, it creates smoke, and smoke is dangerous to breathe in. So if you're using a laser, you need some type of filtration system. Laser engraving, if the byproduct is harmful or toxic, like PVC, for example, do not cut it. When you cut things through a subtractive method, it makes a lot of dust. And that's why, all of our machines are fully enclosed. We have dust collection, and because dust can be dangerous. If you're working with things like carbon fiber, it's definitely hazardous. So, you want to make sure you have a nice enclosed environment, a good vacuum HEPA filtration system like that. It's not just mills that you need to be safe and concerned with, guys. It's also 3D printing plastics. When you're melting plastics, there could be fumes. So make sure you have good ventilation for that, or you're using low VOC plastics. And whenever you burn something, it creates smoke, and smoke is dangerous to breathe in. So if you're using a laser, you need some type of filtration system, whether it's an in-room filtration like our Cyclone, which is great for our small diode laser engraver accessories, exhausting it outside if you have the ability to do so. So safety first. Make sure that you are, your material's safe for laser engraving, safe for milling, whatever. I think most materials are safe for milling. You just have to be cautious with that dust as mentioned. But laser engraving, if the byproduct is harmful or toxic, like PVC, for example, do not cut it.